Hello, Aaron Chen, Internet Marketer, the complete course. Welcome to this video. Obviously, you're looking for an online business, something to get you started in the internet. And you have found exactly what you need, the perfect system. I have completed this course and I am extremely happy with the way everything has worked out. My name is Bill Morrow and I've been working online for about 9 years, give or take a few months. I have over that time spent lots of money, wasted lots of money on systems that do not deliver what they say. They just don't work. Some are offered as business in a box and so forth, and about a week later they start falling apart because they're not backed up or anything like that. This system, the internet, the Invincible Marketer for the internet, is a perfect system. I have completed the course, therefore I'm quite happy offering it to you to say that this is the system that you have been looking for. You can make your own online business in any subject you want. Doesn't matter whether it's crocheting, hand knitting, jumping off high cliffs or whatever it is, rock climbing, skiing, internet marketing, anything you choose. All you do is you go through the whole course, which is in video form, and each time you take a video, you learn it, you listen to it, then you take one of the subjects you're asked to complete. You're asked to do one little task in each video. Do that, then move on to the next one. And by the time you've completed the course, you have a fully working system, a fully working business, the one that you wanted to set up. And that's exactly what I have. I've chosen to do mine in internet marketing, so therefore I'm offering these sort of things to other people who want to join in internet marketing. And this is the whole beauty of it. You can do it in any subject you know, any subject you want to put the whole thing together. It's excellent. So from that point of view, there is no problem at all. Now, all you have to do is to get more information about this. So I'll give you all the information you can possibly want. You come down below into the description box, click on the link, which I'm sure you're all very confident in doing now. You all know that this is a link that gets you the further information. Click on that, you get onto my list, and then I send you further information on email. And from there, it becomes obvious to you that this is the course that you need. This is the course that you want to get you really started. And certainly in this day and age, in this sort of climate, in lockdown and everything else, this is perfect. You can do it at your speed, however you want to do it. You can do it so much per day or whatever, but just do it in sequence, which makes it so much easier instead of jumping back and forward all the time. It's like the people who read the last page in a book. Now, it ruins the story. You do it in sequence, it makes it so much easier to be able to do it that way. So all you got to do is click on the link below and we'll get started. So, talk to you soon. Bye for now.